thundering outside. It's a cloudy day. We are experimenting with shots in the neighborhood. Hi. I don't know why I'm so up close and personal with the camera. I don't know why I'm on the floor, neither. But it's almost time for me to be done with my painting. Full disclosure, this piece is about my mother. No sob story. You know, she did pass a couple months ago, and I've been thinking a lot about history, heritage, and what it means to feel home. What I have decided is that home has nothing to do with a place or furniture. It's all about a feeling. You know what I mean? It's such a creepy day today. Oh, wow, let's make some art.
So the design is pretty simple. A woman meditating outdoors in a kind of relaxing space. Today I'll start this piece in Procreate, drawing a quick thumbnail first to get the overall idea and layout down. Since I'm already here, I'll go ahead and try out this design with different pictures from Unsplash. I usually like to leave this part for experimentation. Then I take the new thumbnail and drop it into Adobe Photoshop. And because I have this base already, all I have to do is rebuild the scene. First, I'll go through all the pictures, remembering each detail I like. Then I'll cut them out one by one using the lasso tools and layer masks. And you can find all the links to the pictures I used today in the description box. To frame this composition and set the mood, I'll place some flowy curtains, cutting one of them out, then copying it for the other side. One of my favorite parts of this is definitely the background, but to make it, I'll need to remove this woman in the picture. You can go about this a couple different ways, but I use the stamp tool to clear out the sky first, then remove the rest with more grass. The ground in this picture is in 2 layers. First, the stone piece from the building. Then I'll turn this cobblestone white for a nice accent around the edges. Our model comes from this great picture outdoors. I'll also keep using the original thumbnail to help move her into position. Next is the rug. I figured she needed something to sit on, right? So I'll make a new rug by combining 2 halves of this circle. The curtains could use a bottom too, so I'll draw it on one side, then make a copy for the other. Now the lamps can actually be made from just one. I'll place them at the top. Then let's do the cat. Making sure I flip it so it faces the model. This blue bird will also help balance the floor out. Then I can start adding more to the right. Let's first grab this plant. Then a nice ottoman, like this design. The last details I'll add are this vase, and a happy looking succulent plant. Now we can move on to her wardrobe. I'll get rid of a few things I don't need, like the wood and the straps from her top. For the hair, I'm thinking long, beautiful waves and a nice crown for our queen. In the beginning, I experimented with the style a little. I thought I wanted more drama in the eyes. Then I just realized a smoky eye just looks so much better. When I think of this piece, I see warm lighting. So filling a new layer with brown and setting it to multiply means I can create a nice sunset. For her outfit, I want to play with the design. First, making an off-the-shoulder look. Then setting the rest up like the thumbnail, or at least to the best of my ability. I love traditional Indian dresses, so I will use pieces of this outfit to build the rest of her look. Each piece has to be draped like it's actually on her. I don't know, but for whatever reason the last part didn't record, so we will just jump to the bird and start recoloring it red. Now the shadows. I try to build scenes in cohesive steps, usually starting with the shadows first, then adding light. Before I forget, I need some earrings to complete her outfit, and I'll use these star earrings for that realistic metallic effect. One way to make hair look real is by using texture brushes. I'll lay in some texture first, then draw out the curls using the waves I've made earlier. Shadows, midtones, and highlights. It's usually a good idea around this time to start cleaning all the other details up. The outfit will definitely need some more love. Then I'll relight the lamps. To brighten everything up, the selective color adjustment layer strengthens all the lighting. A few of my favorite details are the shadows around this piece. The cat and bird get their own, of course. Then all the highlights, like the ones around the basket, the cat's fur. The right furniture will also need some light. And then I'll draw a couple of extra leaves to fill out the plan. To finish up the hair, I need a smaller brush to paint more strands. Then I can start detailing the dress. Her legs, and the rug. I'll finish this piece with more hair and makeup, painting eyeliner with a green and gold trendy look. And paint some nice bright highlights for the crown. Remember where we started? Here is the final design. And if you would like to know how I animated this graphic, just like this video and let me know in the comments.